There are places in the universe where the laws of physics break down, where time and space become meaningless. A place so powerful that not even light can escape. This is a black hole. But what lies inside? What happens if you fall in? And could black holes be hiding something even more terrifying than we ever imagined? Stay with me as we embark on a journey into the heart of the abyss. The event horizon, the point of no return. Once you cross this invisible boundary, escape is impossible. But what happens as you approach? Time slows. Space warps. To an outsider, you seem frozen in time. But from your perspective, you are falling, pulled by an invisible force beyond comprehension. Narrator. And then, you begin to stretch. Spaghettification. The immense gravity pulls at your feet harder than your head, stretching you into a thin strand of atoms. You would be torn apart long before reaching the singularity, or would you? Some theories suggest something much stranger awaits. Beyond the event horizon, all known physics collapses. General relativity no longer makes sense. Space and time flip, time moves like a physical direction, and space becomes unchangeable. But does this mean we are doomed? Not necessarily. Narrator. Some physicists propose that falling into a black hole could lead to a bridge, an Einstein-Rosen bridge, a wormhole. Could it transport us to another universe? A parallel reality? A distant part of space? Or is this merely a mathematical illusion? At the heart of every black hole lies the singularity, a point where gravity becomes infinite, where all matter is crushed into an unimaginable density. Time ceases to exist. Space folds in on itself. Does this mean destruction? Or transformation? Narrator. Some theories suggest that singularities don't truly exist. Instead, quantum mechanics steps in, creating a firewall of energy. Or perhaps, a gateway. Could this be the origin of new universes? Could black holes be cosmic seeds, birthing new realms beyond our comprehension? Black holes do not just consume. They grow. They merge. Over billions of years, they may dominate the universe, consuming all matter and light. Could this be the ultimate fate of our cosmos? An age of darkness ruled by supermassive black holes? Narrator. Yet, even black holes are not eternal. They slowly evaporate through Hawking radiation, losing energy particle by particle, until, after eons, they vanish. What happens in their final moments? Could they release the information they swallowed? Or will their secrets be lost forever? Black holes are not just cosmic monsters. They may be keys to the deepest mysteries of existence. They challenge our understanding of time, space, and reality itself. Could they hold the secret to the origins of the universe? or even the fate of our own. One thing is certain. The deeper we look into the void, the more it looks back at us. And perhaps, just perhaps, it holds the answer to everything.